Tomo doesn't do a hard credit check, doesn't ask for a security deposit, and can approve people with no credit history at all. That makes it one of the most unusual starter credit cards in 2026, and by the end of this, you'll know whether it's actually worth using, or just sounds good on paper. Here's the direct answer. Tomo is good for beginners who can't qualify elsewhere. But it comes with trade-offs that matter once you understand how it works. Start with the big selling point. Tomo skips the traditional credit score model. Instead of pulling your score like Capital One or Discover, it looks at your linked bank account, income patterns, and spending behavior. That means students, freelancers, and first-time users can get in without needing a long credit file. That's the biggest advantage. It also means no security deposit. That matters because most beginner-friendly secured cards ask for at least $200 upfront. Tomo removes that barrier. Now the part most people miss. Tomo works differently after approval. The card is designed around weekly autopay instead of one monthly bill. That changes how you use it. You spend, and Tomo pulls payments automatically each week from your linked bank account. That lowers the chance of late payments, which helps protect your credit. But it also means your checking account needs consistent cash in it. Missed pulls can create problems fast. Another thing, Tomo reports to the credit bureaus, which is the whole point if you're building credit. That gives it real value. But rewards and perks are not the main reason to use this card. This is more of a credit building tool than a long-term rewards card. That's where some people outgrow it. If you already qualify for cards like Petal or Discover It Secured, those may offer more flexibility and better long-term value. But if you've been denied elsewhere, Tomo can be a solid entry point. So is it worth it? Yes, if you have no credit, limited options, and stable cash flow. No. If weekly autopay feels too restrictive, or your bank balance changes a lot. Quick recap. Tomo removes the credit check, skips the deposit, and makes payments automatic. That makes it easy to start, but less flexible than a normal card. Your next step is simple. Check your bank consistency before applying, because Tomo cares more about cash flow than your credit file. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple credit card breakdowns.